2017 BMW 330. We just straight piped it. We left the cat on because it's illegal here in Florida. Let's avoid all of the spray. Over here is where we did the work. Right here we removed the resonator and replaced it with 3-inch pipe right there. Back here we did the muffler delete. We removed that big muffler that's on the floor right there. And the customer wanted these chrome tips that are available at gexhaust.com. Guys, check out the links in the description. We're offering franchise opportunities. So if you want to work on cars like this, Porsches, Ferraris, and live your dream job basically, and make a lot of money while you're doing it, you could own a G Exhaust. Orlando, Jacksonville, anywhere in the country. Reach out to us. The links are in the description. All right, let's hear this.